This is a 55 kilowatts permanent magnet variable frequency air compressor. It uses an efficient permanent magnet motor, compared with ordinary screw air compressor, more power saving, higher efficiency. In addition, the soft starting characteristic increases the current balance and avoids the impact of the current on the motor. And it makes less noise, wears less, and is more energy efficient. All these have made it highly recognized by customers. If you would like more information, please do not hesitate to contact us. We look forward to your inquiry.